Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, you're welcome to this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, consider joining this channel. So guys, today's video I will share with you guys this powerful hair growth oil. Guys, this oil is very amazing. I thought it wise to share this with you. It contains natural ingredients that you can find around you. This oil will help to increase the strength of your hair. If you are looking to grow your natural hair or the hair that you already have, you want to reduce breakage, even if you are experiencing baldness, alopecia, you just want a healthy hair growth, this oil will help to stimulate blood flow into your scalp, thereby increasing healthy hair for you. So if you're interested, give this video a like, leave a comment down below if you enjoyed the video, and let's get started. The first ingredient is garlic. As you can see, I went ahead to take about 3 to 4 seeds of garlic, and then I removed the peel. Garlic contains sulfur. Garlic helps to slow down or stop the growth of certain cancer cells in our hair. Garlic has antioxidants, guys, and also it helps to increase the health of our hair, and also it helps increases hair growth. So I'm also going to be making use of another powerful ingredient, which is ginger. Guys, ginger is also very good in helping to improve the circulation of the scalp, and also stimulating our hair follicle, strengthening our hair, and helping combat hair loss. It has powerful antifungal effect and also help control dandruff. So guys, I am going to be using ginger as well. Like I said, go ahead to just slice it and remove the back. And the last ingredient for this treatment is rosemary leaf. This is fresh rosemary leaf. If you have the dried one, you can make use of it at also you can use any rosemary of your choice, guys. Rosemary increases shine, it relieves irritated, dry, flaky dandruff scalp. Also, rosemary has antibacterial properties that encourages hair growth. So I'm going to then put everything in my blender and then add in my oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Don't add in water because we are going to be turning this into oil. So go ahead to add any oil of your choice. I'm making use of mustard seed oil. You can make use of olive oil or coconut oil. Make use of any oil that you know that is good for your hair. So if you cannot find mustard seed oil, then make use of coconut oil. Coconut oil is also available everywhere. You can also use extra virgin olive oil. So pour in the oil into the blender, blend everything, and then pour it into your pan and put it in a very low heat and stir it. As you are stirring, the oil is going to be infused, all the ingredients is going to infuse into the oil like so. Guys, our oil is ready. Now I am going to extract the oil from the leaves, so make sure to filter it properly. And while I kept my oil in a very low heat, guys, you don't want to burn this down in order for this oil to be powerful. Make sure to lower it and leave it there for about 8 to 10 minutes, depending on the heat of your stove or your gas, whichever you are using. Make sure it is very low, and then filter the oil. As you can see, this is our oil. The color has changed. It is now very effective. You can use this oil in so many ways. You can use it as a hot oil treatment. You can use this to massage your hair, leave it and cover it for 30 minutes before you wash your hair. You're going to see your scalp is going to be very, very healthy. This is going to help to strengthen your hair a lot. It is also going to help to increase blood flow. You can use this oil as an overnight treatment. Whenever you want to wash your hair, do this a day before you want to wash your hair with shampoo. Go ahead to rub it all over your scalp. Give your scalp a good massage. Cover it and apply it on your scalp and on your hair, and then cover your hair with a shower cap and leave it till the next day. You can use it in so many ways. Add it to your treatment, to your mask. It is very, very effective. So I'm going to store this in my jar container. You can store this in any container of your choice. I will also be adding in vitamin E oil, so I made a little amount so that I will be able to finish it within 2 weeks or 1 week, because I'm going to also be using this for my baby as well. So I will add in essential oil and vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is also very good for the hair, so I added it, and then I'm going to be using this on my hair and that of this little baby girl right here. So you can use it in your hair, or anyone can use this. So go ahead to massage it all over your hair, massage it all over your scalp, detangle your hair, and then cover it for about 30 minutes. Your hair is going to transform. Once you do this every 2 weeks or every week, your hair is going to strengthen. The breakage is going to reduce. Your hair is going to grow faster and in a healthy way using natural ingredients. I hope you find this video helpful. I hope you love this video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like this video, leave us a comment down below, and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. See you guys on our next video. Bye for now, guys. Stay blessed. Bye bye.